This is DJ Freecity. Just do business. Wow. It's about really truly living life, because a lot of times people live, but they don't really live life, you know? Go through the motions, all that, but they don't enjoy life. They don't enjoy the life that they live.
Businesses, and when you think about it, you think about Diddy, and you think about who else you would think about, like even Elon Musk, even Jeff Bezos, you know, like even doing the verses, Swiss Beats and Timbaland, you know, Damon John with Fubu, like these certain things, they're in the business of enjoying life, but it's still a business, though.
Absolutely, that's what I want people to realize. You can have fun every day. You can make money off of having fun or doing. You can make money doing what you enjoy doing. You don't have to go feel like you're slaving for this person or go give 40 hours a week doing something that you hate. You know, let's change that. You know, but you have to make that change. You have the power to do that. We all do. But most people won't. It's too hard. It's uncomfortable.
Wow.
That's why you have to get comfortable being uncomfortable.
Wow. And I know you're not, your business now, when did you leave your traditional 9 to 5?
2000, what was it? Oh, like finally, man, like 16, I think. I think it left me, so, you know, but God works in mysterious ways.
Okay, and so you went into the business of you as the brand.
Yeah.
Wow.
But it took a while for me to get to that. And you know
the deep part about it, I heard this somewhere that, like, even with in like music, that's why some artists don't, like, even if they had a platinum record back in the day, right?
All right.
Some artists don't get booked like a Snoop Dogg or you know, or Ice Cube or these people, because they're a brand. You know, they're a brand.
And look at Snoop. Snoop literally is known for smoking weed, but he's literally like, he could come to the daggone
like
high school graduation. You know, like Jay, known drug dealer, made hundreds of thousands of dollars off of drugs. You know, but it doesn't matter because his brand overshadows all that negative stuff.
Right. So when you think of like the brand of itself per se, that's beautiful. That it's something as a brand ambassador to teach you how to understand you as the business.
Absolutely.
Do you feel like people are a business within themselves as a human body?
Yeah. Yes. We are all. That's why Facebook is as big as it is. You know.
Why do you think Facebook is as big as it is? What do you think about Facebook and Instagram and these places? Why do you think it's as big as it is?
I think it's as big as it is because it feeds into people's, like, it gives people something that it distracts people from the everyday life. And it's interesting to me. I'm still trying to figure it out. You know, I don't really understand it. Social media is still somewhat new, but it definitely distracts people and gives them something that they feel like they're lacking, but it's not real. It's a false sense of it.
You have people like B. Simone. You know who B. Simone is?
Yeah.
You know, B. Simone makes a lot of money.
Yeah. Shout out to
like these people Kim Kardashian.
Absolutely.
Kanye. Well, Kanye is more of a, like, he's 10 million up, right?
Yeah.
But we know, but Kanye is a brand too.
Yeah.
Like, he will last forever.
And that's the great thing about social media. You can build your brand with these platforms, so you don't need, you know, State Farm to hire you for their call centers.
Okay, so we gonna okay. You brought me into something. Now break down the people, right? Because with you made a lot of money off of social media. You made money DJing, bringing back. People found you on Facebook, things of that nature. Break down the people who's just using social media as just post a picture of their cereal or whatever. Tell them, like, really, how do you do it? I want to know. How do you do it? How do you make money?
Well, once again, it goes back to what you enjoy. So if you're doing something you enjoy, like somebody who loves dogs, or a veterinarian, if they just take what they normally do and just take pictures of dogs, they find a specific niche and then just build from that niche. In this example, it's the vet or a person who likes dogs. So you just take pictures of dogs, things the dogs do, and you just create just good looking pictures. Engage with other people who like dogs, and then from there you can transition to offering products or promoting products. Once you build up your liking and your engagement of your page for dogs.
Do you have anything like, okay, if you was to say something to like the people that want to get into the business of what you're doing, because like I said, you went into the brand ambassador world and you took that and you created multiple streams as becoming an international DJ in a lot of different countries. And the crazy part about it, you know how to make the checks. There's some DJs that's probably out there, but you made bigger checks than them. Now, don't be modest. I know you're making some big money out there, right? You don't be honest. Don't be modest. So because you're so modest, man. You're trying to not stunt on people. Right now, you Birdman right now. You Birdman. You got to stunt. Okay, so. At the end of the day, like, right, what would you tell somebody like that's trying to get in the business, to just do the business? What would you tell somebody, to like from your point of view, from what you've seen now?
From what I've seen, telling somebody if you're not doing anything else right now, hop in 2 feet. Head first, dive in. It's a lot of opportunity, and what I like about it is you are your own boss. Like, you're the business. So if you don't want to do something, you don't do it. Just like, for example, the other day, it was a position to manage some type of campaign here in Atlanta, but they needed brand ambassadors as well. And the client, the lady from the marketing agency, asked me, "Hey, if we don't select you for the market manager position, do you want to do a brand ambassador?" And I told her no.
Because you did marketing, I did manager.
Right. I don't want to do. It's nothing. And even the brand ambassador position was paying pretty good. But I literally, in that moment, did not want to do the task that they wanted the brand ambassadors to do. And I'm at liberty to tell her no. And it was no hard feelings. She asked me twice. I was like, no, I don't. If it's not manager, I don't want to do it. But if you are, so if you have the opportunity, you not got nothing else, you don't have anything else going on, jump head first into it. If you do have a 9 to 5, I would suggest utilizing both. Keep your 9 to 5 and then do some brand ambassador stuff on the side when you get free time, spare time, or even if you have paid time off, book some BA stuff. Take that paid time off, so you're getting paid from this job and you're getting paid from this job. So you're getting paid from 2 jobs at once. Well, you're getting paid 2 jobs, we're just working 1. So that's a great way to get into it. Then you can kind of see the earning potential and just the opportunities, the duties, and see if you like it. You might like it. If that's the case, transition fully. If not, figure out there might be something else in that arena that you like.